friends and families. I'm Victoria, and today's edition is drawing. I'd love to teach you how to draw something today. And today what I'm going to teach you how to draw is a cute little fairy fly called Crystal. Let's get working. Now, first, let's start with an oval-like shape. You can always erase. If you're working with a pen, I do not suggest that. There. Now, make long curved things out of the head. Those are the antennae. Now draw circles at the top. Two straight lines and a curve for the mouth. And I'm gonna make all those high up so it looks cute. It's okay if you want to put it like in the middle or down, but I prefer high up. Then draw a short little rectangle down below the head. Now draw like things that look like petals for the dress. You see, she's a crystal fairy fly, so she has crystal powers. So, to make it more crystally, draw a circle in each. Then a line coming out each straight direction of the circle. I hope you got it. Now you can draw two little curves coming out of this little body part. This little body part. Those are the hands. Now you can draw the feet. Or more likely the legs. I'm going to draw them kind of curved at the end, so it looks like she's jumping up and down, or she's flying up and down. Or you could make it straight like that. I'm going to make it straight. If it's too deep, I wouldn't prefer that. So, there you go perfectly. Now out of like the edge of the hat, draw a little spike. Curve it. And curve it back. But now like a little below the hand. And now do the same with the other. Spike, curve up, a little below the hand. Now make an under one. Perfect. Now you can do the same like you did with the dress petals. Circles inside and on every direction, straight direction, you can make a line. You could draw a background, but right now, you're done! Well, I made this video on Thanksgiving 2023, and I hope you enjoy it. Happy Thanksgiving!